Hello guys, we are back from another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from
Mum, actually.
Mum got for my brother because
Well, let's open it. Should I open it?
yeah.
From Amazon though. Yeah, go on. So, parcel. Go on. It's got a thing you rip open. Okay, let's get open. And to give you an idea, I had to prove that I wasn't. Ooh!
Wait, do you have to prove that you're over 18 or something?
Yeah, over 18. They said I have to take my age because the person who delivered it, so I had to put it down. So because it's a precision craft knife set, the model craft collection.
What? There's model in it?
No, model craft collection.
Oh.
So these have got some blades.
Yeah, you can open it and do
Should I open it?
Yeah.
You sure? Don't stress. Because why are we getting it? Why did your brother get it?
Because he needs for his school art
Art GCSE. GCSE, yeah?
project.
So it's art project. So it's got these pretty lethal looking blades.
Especially that.
So what we've got here is like a set.
It's like a cutting set.
Different shapes and different sizes.
We're amputating, not amputating, but like cutting a chicken wing bone.
Chicken
I mean,
bone.
not chicken wing, yeah.
So this is what it says.
But seeing what's inside.
Oh yeah, that'd be interesting. What, in biology?
Yeah.
Yeah. But so precision craft knife kit 16 piece.
It
So
looks
it's
nice.
lots of blades. It's quite clever because you can just pick them up. And they're magnetized. Be careful, don't slice my finger. Yeah, it's magnetized. So there's the blade. So you don't want the blade, yeah?
Test it.
And what?
Cardboard. Test it with this one.
I did something, yeah. So, but it's quite clever because it's magnetic. There's a magnetic strip. You see?
So you
There.
don't have to like push it in or something.
Yeah, just lay it on top and it goes. See?
Is it?
Yeah, the magnetic strip, quite clever. That good design. So,
Let me take it.
what we've got handles. We've got a big, nice, chunky handle. Be careful, careful. We don't want A&E visits. All you probably do is
This one looks like the most knife. This one looks the best. Look how this one's curved.
I'm not sure. I don't know. So what you do is, I presume you just twist. You twist this, isn't it?
Yes.
So you twist this, and then you pull this out. Yep. Yeah. So that's blade. Then you push it in.
Oh my
Be careful.
goodness. Do
It-
not come into me.
It is not the most high quality one, but I think your mum probably got it quite cheap. We'll put a link in the description for
Oh
the
yeah, you
price.
twist and it comes out.
Don't pull it out. So you push that in. So twist it and then twist this round carefully. Obviously, should we try a bit of cardboard?
Yes.
Should we try it in here?
Not on the table.
Oh, mum will kill me. Right. Okay. So we're gonna. Oh my way.
This is nice. This is so nice. I don't think yours is very good.
No, mine's cutting really good. It does flex, but you've got to be a bit careful. Make sure it's tight in.
Wait.
Make sure it's tight
I'm
in.
gonna
So
do something.
I'm just going to cut this bit there. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Oh, okay, not a bit of cardboard. Let me try this corner. Let's go over this side. Let me go this side a bit. I'll just cut the corner of this off. Yeah, I suppose so. Cut it pretty clean, but it had to take a couple of goes. I cut the corner off the packaging. Take a couple of goes though. What are you doing?
Writing my name.
I haven't got time for that. What do you think? This is quite a big, chunky, comfortable
Well, it's
one.
not my decision.
Right. Let me just have a look at this one. This is like more a metal handle.
Oh, it's not coming off.
Wait, let's just try it this way. Let's try it this way.
Don't kill yourself. You
Can't
don't
kill myself. I've got work tomorrow.
want to be going to A&E, do you?
Oh, we go to any. So if we
Let's see
just
the bottom. Let's see if it's scratched now.
go through the bottom. Right, let me just try it again with your one.
You have to cut it quite deep there.
That's not bad, you know.
Let me-
I had a bit of a dig in, Just. Do you know what? Do you want to hold it like that? Hold it like that for us at that angle. Yeah, and I'm just gonna get my fingers well away, and then I'm gonna go across. Quite a lot of force. No, not bad. And it's gone through to the Amazon packaging. They're not bad. Yeah, it's good. Your brother's got to do some stencil work. So I'm cutting out things and sticking it to a work thing, and then so we've got different kind of size ones, and you've got another size one, another smaller one for more, maybe even more precision. Delta blade. But if you need anything like that, it's worth considering. I'm sure you can get more pricey versions, but obviously it's just for Art GCSE. You'll probably never use it ever again. So it works pretty good. It cuts alright, but you have to apply quite a lot of pressure. This is quite thick cardboard, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the cardboard he's using like hard, just a couple of grades above hard, above paper.
Yeah.
So it's not the cardboard you use for craft stuff. So it is quite thin, so you should be able to get through it quite easily. But yeah, we'll find out what because he doesn't do videos anymore, does he? Just a shame, because he did some really good videos. Your brother did. So I think, what do you think? What you're saying?
It's good.
Good.
Thinker, my name though.
So it's good. We're happy. We think it's worth it.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think your mum spent a lot of money on it. Let me quickly. I think it wasn't that expensive, because I saw Amazon and it was about £8 or £9 or something relatively cheap. You know. Emma, let me just quickly check. You just do a bit of talking and show the packaging again, show the box again. Yeah. So just confirmed about £8, just about £8, £8-9. So that's not bad for 16 piece. I wouldn't say so much about precision craft set. It's not. Maybe it should be a bit sharper, but maybe I know. But for what he needs to be pretty good, because he was having to use a nail cutter yesterday, wasn't he?
Yeah.
For some specific cutting. Basically, this will help. So you've got lots of different sizes. Like I said, you've got this big handle one, and you've got a smaller kind of handled one there, and you've got a really tiny one there, precision. You've got all the blades you'd probably ever need. And probably you'd ever need if you're doing stuff like this. They're relatively sharp. This is obviously we're trying a hard cardboard, so it's quite. I mean, that's still not cardboard, isn't very thick anyway, but it's quite hard cardboard. So the cardboard he's going to be using, which is like hard paper.
But it doesn't push through. Look.
Yeah, it's hard paper. He's probably going to find it okay.
Yeah, it does. There you
So
go. Look,
he's here. Your craft set. 16 piece. Don't be gashing your finger or anything. So you just click. So once you've used it, that's enough now. Don't know. We don't get anyone get cut. I don't think. Let's just leave it before someone gets cut. So you just click it back in place. So we've got.
It's not that precise.
Yeah, but it's not that expensive either. So if you're looking for something just to do a quick job, not something you're really into craft work and stuff, it's not terrible, but it isn't amazing either. So if you close that, sorry, that's our
That's our washing machine.
that's our tumble dryer, washer dryer, which we're going to do a review about because we've got a different one. Okay,
We did another review.
We didn't do another review.
Did we not?
No, we've got another review of that because we got rid of the Hoover one.
No, we did.
Did we?
Yeah. Yes, we did.
Okay, right. I was looking at
How
my
we
mum.
said the outside is really hot.
Memory. So that's it. Nice case. Clicks open, and click shut, and it's quite good. I think it's got everything it's got needs. Lots of pieces. Yeah, happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think worth it. Worth the £8 it was. I think on a fancy one, you probably only get blade, one handle and a couple of blades, but you've got 3 handles. 16 piece kit one, or whatever. Lots of blades for every single scenario. So it should be okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So should we finish then?
City. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye bye.